This exhaust pipe is cracked and broken. The hanger broke off from the pipe. Work off the exhaust hangers in the back. With the corrosion, these can be a little tight. Remove the pipe at the catalytic converter. We'll lower down the exhaust and we'll pull it out. We'll clean up the rust. We'll clean up both pipes. Chemically clean everything with vinegar. A light acid like this will really clean it up. You can see that vinegar really helps. With everything clean, we'll line it all up. We'll tack it with a Harbor Freight welder. We'll stitch everything back together. And it's on there good. Do little bursts. You don't want to burn all the way through the pipe. Starting to look like an exhaust again. We'll flip it over and keep welding it together. Just in case there's a pinhole, we'll put in some sodium silicate. And we'll get the other side. We'll put it back on. Put the rubber hangers back on. We'll bolt everything up to the catalytic converter. The hangers fit in there real nice. We'll start it and see how it sounds. Very nice, very quiet. All fixed.